So this is the euro pound analysis for Thursday, the 7th of December, sorry. Now on this euro pound, we can see that we are pretty range bound. The range is currently 88.51, lower end of the range being in around this 87.83. As we can see, most of the price action has been within this range. We've broken out of the range to the upside, tested 200 period moving average and closed back within the range. And again, we've had another break outside the range to the upside, and we've closed back in the range. We've also seen something similar to the lower end of the range. We've traded all the way down towards that 87.50 before we've seen price momentum take us back within the trading range. Now, on the 6th, because we are doing the analysis for the 7th, as we can see, we've had price come up towards that 88.51, and again, we've seen a rejection from the upper end of the range. Now, we've not extended the move all the way back down to retest the lower end of the range. Instead, we've gone into a bit of consolidation. So we're possibly looking poised for another retest of that 88.51, coupled with the 200 period moving average marked out here in blue. The 200 period moving average, we did have a rejection of it there. We came pretty close again before we saw some sell side momentum. So it'll likely act as dynamic level of resistance. So if we do a trade back up there, we'll likely see a negative reaction, probably consolidation, unless we do head towards the upper end of that range with strong momentum. We could see a move all the way up to 88.74. We'll see our prices react to the 400 period moving average, a break from which we're looking for 89.14, in around that 89.14, 89.20, beyond which we're looking for that 89.45. If, however, we do see a continuation of the breakdown from where we are at present, we've seen a breakdown from 88.51. If we do see a consolidation and a further breakdown, we're looking to target towards that 88. But more important, we're targeting 87.83. Break from 87.83, we'll be looking towards the price to react towards that 87.50, and beyond 87.50, again, we'll be looking to see our prices react towards that 87 level. We are currently at 88.15, so I'd expect far end of the range to be in around the 87 level. The next level after 87 is 86.63. I don't anticipate prices heading towards 86.63 here on the 7th of matter of fact, here on the 7th of December. And again, to the upside, we do have quite a lot of areas of resistance. So 89.20 would likely be the far end of this range. I don't anticipate 89.45 coming into focus unless we do have a strong fundamental catalyst. Now, with that said, we've mentioned the range we're in. We mentioned the likely outcome, the fact that we're possibly putting in a higher low here for another retest of the level. Usually levels are tested on a frequent basis over a short period of time. We usually see a break from which, and again, we've mentioned levels that we are targeting to the upside. So let's just have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here on the euro pound. So if we head over to the daily time frame, we get the scale on here correct. As you can see, we're range bound. Again, it's not the range on the hourly chart, it's the range on the daily chart. So upper end of the range in around at 90.24. As you can see, we've seen sell side momentum come off there. Lower end of the range being around at 87.83 to 87.50. Again, we've seen buy side momentum coming off that 87.50. Again, we've seen a strong move to the upside. Overall, where are we now in light of the range base? We're at lower end of the range. We're seeing a somewhat positive reaction to 200 period moving average. So if we do see some strong closes on the daily time frame, again, we'll be looking to target possibly the upper end of the range in around that 90.24. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 200 period moving average, again, we've mentioned all levels to the downside that we are targeting, and we might possibly see a bounce in the market. And with that said, that's the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.